Okay, it's starting. Okay, so for number 1, I got y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, same.
because this at first I did it so that it was perpendicular and so that I got all messed up and then I like went back and I saw it was parallel, so then the slope was negative 1/2 and then I plugged it into the point slope formula and that's what I got.
Yeah, same.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't mess up I didn't do the perpendicular. I kept the slope the same.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I just kept it the same for that one too. All right, then for number 2, we were supposed to use Pythagorean theorem on this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I did.
All right, so to find the area of the little triangle, I just did a squared plus 7 squared equals 8 squared. And then I got a equals the square root of 15.
Yeah.
And then I found the area of the little triangle to be 13.5. Does that sound good so far?
What I did is I added up both of the bottom. Wait, I don't know if you can see this, but I added up this and like I found this and then I found this, and so I added them up and then I did half of this times this was the area, but I guess there's different
Yeah,
ones.
I just found what x and y were. I plugged in x for the bottom, like the
Yeah.
small triangle for the base of the smaller triangle, and then the base, and then plugged in y for the base of the larger triangle, and I got square root 15, and then I added square root 95 together, and then multiplied it by 7, and then 1/2. Same as Maggie.
Oh,
Just
I
because.
found the separate areas and then just added them together.
What was your final answer?
I got 47.6.
Yep, that's what I got.
The only way is because it says only round your final answer to the nearest tenth. So I don't think she wanted us to take the square roots until the very end. Like don't round it until the very end.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I just had 2 different calculators and I did it. I don't really know why I did that, but just so I could I don't really know. But yeah, I got the same answer.
Yeah.
So what did you do for number 3, Evan?
Number 3, I just put out random side links and just see if it would work. So I got 5, 9, and 13. And I think those work because like for an obtuse triangle, it has to be a squared plus b squared is less than c squared. So then 5 squared plus 9 squared is less than 13 squared.
Okay, I was thinking that for number 2, I had to use the numbers from number 2.
Oh.
So I was like, I do not understand how to do this. Is she asking to do the numbers for number 2 or like I wasn't sure. So what did I do? I did 12 squared is greater than 8 squared plus. I just did b squared to find out what b was.
Okay.
And I don't know. That was pretty screwed up, I think. I screwed that up.
I was just kind of confused because it said explain how you know they form an acute triangle.
I think that was just a typo.
Okay. Yeah, I guess so. Wait, but so in an obtuse triangle, doesn't 5 plus 9 have to be bigger than 13 or does not matter?
I think it does have to be bigger than 13.
Yeah. 2 sides have to always be greater than 1 side.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I knew that. Okay. Number 4.
Okay. Number 4.
Oh, sorry. Number 4. Okay, so for number 4, she only gave us one thing that was given, but then on the Schoology message or homepage, she posted that JE is equal to EF.
Okay.
So I have for statement on the statement side, I have E is the midpoint of HD, and then my justification was just given. But I was not sure if there was something else we had to add, like definition of midpoint for.
Yeah, I did E is a midpoint of HD, which is given, and then under that I said JE equals ED because definition of midpoint. Oh, did I do that right?
Wait, what did you put? JE equals ED? I don't think that would work.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, because if E is the midpoint, that would not be right for.
Wait, I don't know what I did. I said. Oh yeah, that doesn't make sense. Wait, so does that mean that HE is equal to ED?
Yeah.
Oh, I was so confused. I don't even know why. Okay, wait.
Okay, so then I just have JE is congruent, or line segment JE is congruent to line segment EF,
Mm-hmm.
and that's given. And then I named the two angles that form vertical angle theorem. I just gave one angle number 1 and then the other one 2. So I said angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 because of the vertical angle theorem. And then triangle JEH is congruent to triangle DEF by side angle side theorem.
Yeah, I got the same thing.
And then underneath I wrote therefore JEH is congruent to DEF by congruent parts of congruent or corresponding triangles congruent? Is
Wait.
that it? Or is it
Wait, why'd you put that?
because isn't that what we always have to put at the bottom of like
That's if you want to find like a side length of it.
but
Yeah.
that's not what we did with flow proofs.
I know, because we were trying to find a
Well,
side length then. So like if we were given one triangle that has like side lengths with it, then you would have to find the other side lengths, and that's where you'd use that.
Oh, so that does not
That doesn't come into use.
apply to this.
Yeah, I just did the therefore angle like GEH equals DEF because side angle side.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's how you draw it.
Okay.
All right. Are we done?
I think so.
All right. Bye, guys.